Oh my god, I think I'm already sleepy.
I think I cannot look at what happened for this. I bake a cake. I know I bake a cookies and then look what happened. I burned my own skin. Look that one. I get hurt. But why do I have to work when you get laid around all day? And but why do I have to work when you get to play around? Huh? What in crap? Yeah. I have an instant tattoo. If you want a tattoo, guys, that without any, without any pain or something, you know what I mean? See, it's hard. I don't know. Oh my god, I hope you're okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Don't worry. I'm really okay. It's just